Manifest with a glass of water. Many people have so many dreams, so many goals, so many wishes in their life. Many people wants to be rich and wealthy. Some wants a loving relationship. Some want a better health. Some want a dream job, fame, power, recognition, and so on. Some of our wishes become true while others don't. Probably you may have also tried many manifestation techniques to achieve whatever you want, whatever you desire in your life. And I am sure that some techniques must have worked for you while others just failed. Now the question is there any powerful technique? I mean a really powerful technique through which you can get whatever you want always. And if you will ask me this question, I will say yes, there is a powerful technique which works every time and through which you can create your own reality. All you need is a glass of water. This may sound weird to you, but yes, you can manifest anything you want with just a glass of water. Sounds interesting? Hello, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss the opportunities of getting the notifications of what's coming up next. So let's get started now. You might be wondering how a glass of water can help you manifest anything you want. You see, whatever thoughts you create in your mind, it generates a vibration. And you will be amazed to know that water captures these vibrations and changes its molecule structures. By the way, I have already made a video on this, that how your thoughts can affect water and other substances around you. And the link for that particular video is in the description box, so you can check it out. So that is why it is very, very important to be careful of what thoughts you are creating in your mind, what words you are saying, especially when water is around. Now to start with this technique, you just need to take a piece of paper and write down your wish that you really want to fulfill. And write it in the form of a positive affirmations. Let's say you want to be rich and wealthy. So you can write something like this. I have an abundant mindset and money flows to me on a continuous basis. Or maybe you can write, I am getting richer day by day. And you need to write down your wish so that your brain and your heart can follow the direction of your desire. Your subconscious mind will start working for that particular desire without making you aware. The second step is to get a glass of water and fill it with clear water. And the glass should be made up of glass material, not any other material, no plastic, no steel. Thirdly, attach your piece of wish to the glass of water. Now you need to rub your palms together to make them warm and put both your hands on the glass of water like this. And the other step is to speak the positive affirmations written on your piece of paper. You can either speak it in your mind or with your mouth, but I recommend you to speak affirmations so that from your mouth, so that it will double the power. And the sixth step is to visualize while you are speaking the affirmations. And you need to imagine each and everything related to that desire, such as how will you feel when that dream will come true? Who will be the people around you? What words they will say to you? What are the sounds and words that you will hear when this wish will be fulfilled. And while you are speaking affirmations and visualizing, you are generating vibrational frequencies, and that will be transferred to this glass of water. The moment you will complete this step, your water will capture all the energies that you have emitted out. So the final step is to drink the water. By drinking this water, you are filling each and every cell of your body with all those energies. Now each cell of your body will start working for that desire that you really wanted to come true. Some wishes could take only hours, some may take some days, some may take weeks or even months. It all depends on their complexity and how much energy you have to manifest your desire. So do these 7 steps each morning after waking up and each night before you go to sleep. And when you will try this, don't forget to share your experiences with me in the comment box. I hope you like this video, so please hit the like button, and I'll be back with another very interesting video very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive. Thank you very much.